Satan. I have roommates. I like a camera. That Star Spangled. I'm burning up for you're the one, baby.
Hey, welcome to Krispie King, starring my friend Right Hood. Today, during Cakes and Conversations, we're going to create an Atlanta Falcons logo. Is that right?
That's right.
Why are we doing the Atlanta Falcons?
Because we're a fan in here, Georgia. Because I'm a fan.
Hi there. My name is Wainwright Hood, and I'm from Fayetteville, Georgia, and I always a triplet, and then I like Zach Brown and Jonas Brothers and One Direction with the band, and I like Georgia football. They're really good. Atlanta Falcons, Atlanta Braves, Atlanta Hawks, or Atlanta United. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So that's the end of it.
All right, so today in the kitchen, we're going to make the Atlanta Falcons logo right. We're going to have a little bit of conversation about life, about what it's like to be the one and only Right Hood.
I do have brothers.
All right, two of them, right?
Two of them, yes. You guys same age and the same height or same tall.
Because you're triplets.
Because we're triplets.
With a little bit of chicken fried.
Uh-huh.
Cold beer on a Friday night.
Mm-hmm.
Pair of jeans that.
If it's just right.
And the radio.
Up.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do right now is we're going to put into here, how about we start with 4 tablespoons of butter. Can you cut that for me into 4 tablespoons?
Sure.
All right.
Right here.
Can you count them on there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and how many do we need?
36?
No, just 4.
Oh, just 4? No, not 6. It's just 4.
Yep, perfect.
Put it in there, right?
Yeah, man, you know what you're doing.
All right.
All right, let's throw this in the microwave.
Throw this in the microwave, bud.
I got a Bible with Jesus. That's very cool. With Jesus Christ.
Okay, so we've melted our butter, and now what we want to do is add our marshmallows. You want to pour the marshmallows in, right?
Sure.
We have 16 ounces of marshmallows. We're using the giant marshmallows from Aldi today because they do absorb the butter well, and I prefer them that way. You want me to set the bowl over here?
And here you go.
All right. So what I like to do, right, when you make these is I want to make sure every marshmallow is covered in butter.
Oh, over butter, right?
Yep, because when we want the butter to soak into the marshmallow, because every time you take a bite, you want to go, oh, that was so good.
Yeah, so good.
Okay. Okay. Well, I try not to hard to laugh, okay? All right. I guess you guys may salute or lose your caps with the singing national anthem, or the planes will fly over like in the young life. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
We've got our melted marshmallows, and I need you to put in food coloring. I think for the Atlanta Falcons, we're going to need a lot of drops. So just start dropping in. If you turn it upside down and squeeze it, go ahead.
I'll go ahead.
And we all right. That's probably good.
Was it good?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's going to be a great red.
All right, that's great red. All right.
So here's what I want you to do right now is we're going to stir this until every marshmallow is red. Do you want to do that?
Sure, I love to.
Yeah, man, go for it.
Right here, right?
Yep, you got it. You can't hurt the marshmallows.
Well, I cannot.
So you go ahead, stir as much as you want.
Oh, there's red. I know that that's a dark red.
Yeah.
That's yummy, right?
That is yummy. It's going to be great. You're doing awesome with this.
It's like Falcon red or the Georgia red.
Either one, huh?
Either one.
Who's your favorite Falcon player?
You know, I like Julio. Julio's my favorite because he's funny. Yeah, but my mother likes Julio Jones. But Julio Jones went to University of Alabama wide receiver, but he went to school there, and he went to play at the stadium, Bryant Denny Stadium, and he's really good. He's really tough, you know. You win a draft Atlanta Falcons. Good for him. Good for him.
Are you ready to put some Rice Krispies in?
Yes, we do.
So the next thing we want to do is we'll put in probably around 5 cups of Rice Krispies, but we're just going to guess as we go. Does that work for you?
That works for me.
All right, pour some in.
It's this one, right?
That one right there.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna right here.
Yep, you want to open it up just a little bit there. Okay, go for it. I'll tell you when. And keep on.
Is it good?
How about right there?
Okay, that's good.
I can sing well with my voice right here or right here. Once so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
Can you get under it and flip it over? Yep. There you go. Keep going. You can use your hand to hold the ball if you want.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Oh, gee, that was hot. I told you it's hot bowl.
Hot bowl.
I like Krispie treats. That's very good.
Yeah, they are good.
Yeah, no, they're awesome.
You want some help with that?
So is it good or not?
Well, watch this. Can I show you one thing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so if I grab this, I want to go underneath and flip it over. Because
That
see
was
how all that,
big.
that was big. And
Another one.
And every time I flip it, it gets all of them red. And I scrape the side and I flip it over right there. Now do you see how they're all getting red? And what that shows me is we can probably put in some more Rice Krispies now. Let's pour in a little bit more. Can we do that?
Yeah, let's do a little bit more.
All right, you want to pour some in?
Pour some in.
Yeah.
All right. Are you sure it's good enough?
Yeah, how about right there? That's good. That's perfect.
All right, that's good.
All right, remember the technique, how we flipped it? You want to give it a shot?
Sure. Okay, here we go.
There we go. It'll be hot on the bottom, so I only hold it up here. There you go.
Right
It's not
here.
hot there.
It's not hot here.
Now remember how I get underneath and fold it over. We don't want a regular looking Rice Krispie in there. We want every one of them in Atlanta red.
Well, any of them.
That's right. All Falcon red. It's like going to the game. If the Falcons are playing the Carolina Panthers, do you like to see somebody wearing blue in the Falcons Stadium in Mercedes-Benz? Or do you only want to see red and black?
Red and black.
Exactly.
What's autism?
Well, autism is like something related to not doing so well. Yeah, it's hard to answer that one.
Yeah, it is hard to answer.
Oh yeah,
Do you have autism?
a little bit.
Yeah. Can you tell me what that's like?
I think it's tough to tell to say.
We have our Falcon red out here. We're going to put a little bit of butter on our hands. So what I want you to do is take off a little bit of butter like that. Go ahead and grab some and rub it together on the inside of your hands.
Like this.
Yep. And rub it together. And if you have extra big pieces, you could just set them right here on the cutting board. But we want to make sure we have it on here because what's going to happen is we're going to pound this thing down like this into a big square.
Yes.
All right, you ready? Okay, so start pounding when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, it's because we don't want it to stick to our hands. I think you probably got it good. Okay, go for it over here. I'll do this side. You just got to beat it down into a square.
A square, right?
Yep. We want the big square. Keep going.
That's what I did with a drum like that.
Yeah. Can you play the drums?
Oh, yeah.
You can?
Yes, I can.
So you're learning the guitar, and you already play the drums. What other instruments can you play?
What else did I do play? There's piano. That's a big instrument, piano.
Yeah. Can you play piano?
Well, yeah, a little bit. That's kind of interesting piano.
I love Jonas Brothers with the Love Bug with the song with the guitar lesson. That's one of my favorite with this one. So I did a guitar lessons for the man and a woman because I got both of them because they're really good. But I'm trying to get my left hand done, but it's really hard. And I pick with my right hand, and then, so that's awesome.
Okay, so Wright, what we're gonna do right now is make the black Rice Krispies treats, and so we can let them harden and then cut it out. So we've melted our butter. Now let's add 12 ounces of marshmallows. Go ahead and pour that whole bowl of marshmallows in. All right, we got our melted marshmallows, and now what we need to do is add some black food coloring. You're the man. You are the food coloring expert.
Okay.
So let's do this thing. That's probably good right there.
Is that perfect?
And one to grow on.
Whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
So now what we're gonna do is add some Rice Krispies. You wanna pour some in? Let's do it. They're right there. You gotta grab
Right
those.
there.
Right there. Oh yeah. So we're gonna add some Rice Krispies and make sure each one of them is totally covered. Keep on going.
Is it good enough?
That's probably good for the first pour.
I think that's good enough.
All right, remember, you know how to do this.
I know I do.
What kind of song should we be singing while we're making Rice Krispie treats?
What kind of song?
Yeah, if this was, it's like being in a musical. We're cooking in the kitchen. Shouldn't we be singing some kind of song?
I like a song.
Like Rice Krispies in the rain. Rice
Oh, that was
Krispies.
funny. That was a funny one. Okay, Rice Krispie with the treats.
That's it.
Well, I already seen, like, when I was at New York in 2014, and I saw The Wicked at a show musical.
All right, looks good, man.
Is that good?
Yeah,
All right, I did that all.
man, you did. This cup, I'm gonna just shove a couple more to get them all.
Ew, what did you do?
What? Well, it was on my finger. What should I have done? Just leave it on my thumb like that?
Yep.
Yeah, good. All right, let's add a few more, I think. I think we need to add a few more Rice Krispies. You want to pour some in?
For some, yeah. And please don't point my finger. With my eye, that's what we disgusted.
That's good. Oh, I'm not going to get your eye.
No, I mean, that right here. Or here.
Oh, gosh. This is a short guy over here. I'm having to get on top of this counter. I'm not tall like you.
Yeah.
You got me on this raised counter in here. I know, I can barely see over.
And the rockets red glare, the most bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
You want to eat some of this?
But that's not right.
You can to put the whole thing in your mouth. We'll wash it. We're done using it.
Okay. Oh, here we go.
Let's see what you think.
Mm-hmm.
Good? We did
Yep.
well?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we did a good job.
Oh, yeah. Butter, okay.
There we go.
All right.
All right, that's why I put it out there sometimes, because sometimes I have to be reminded that I'll start touching it and I'll go, oh no, and it goes, it just all sticks
What
to
in
my
the
hands.
world did you do that? How did you do that instead of me? All good?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
All right.
You're covered up there. So can you
There we go.
I have roommates. I love apartment, but I love apartment and program. But I was supposed to clean up with the dirty stuff. Supposed to ugly dishes away, ugly laundries, fold them, and ugly something like that.
Do you want to live on your own one day?
Oh yeah. We gotta see. We gotta see.
Do you think that's something you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
We need to cut the shape of the bird out of here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel like that's something you want to do?
Well, yes.
You do? Do you want to look at the logo and do it, or do you want me to start it and then you come back and do it?
I have to start it.
You want me to start it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of go by sight on what we see that logo looking like.
That's how you do that.
Yep.
That's easy.
All right, you want to cut it deeper now? Start here
Start here, okay.
and press all the way down. There you go. What do you think?
And that's really good.
Think you got it?
I think I got it.
All right. You want to pick it up and just pull it out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
See?
There we go.
Do you ever feel lonely?
I feel lonely, yeah.
What does lonely feel like?
Is it sad? S-A-D, sad. Because this little guy was mean to me, and he said, psh. But he was kind of awkward, mean, and then he was kind of rude.
How'd that make you feel?
Lonely and sad.
You want to cut it right here for me?
Yes.
Let's make that separate.
Right here?
Uh-huh. Because we'll have white that'll go through. You can go all the way through with it. And you can just pull it off if you want.
Pull it off.
Yep. You can use your hand or the knife. Either one. There you go. And I'm going to cut it up. I'll give it to you, and I want you to see if you can squeeze it inside there. Does that work for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see if I can go here. Okay. You want to try and put it inside there?
Yeah, I'll try inside there.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty good, this one.
Well, it looks pretty awesome, doesn't it?
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave?
So what do you think about it?
Awesome. We got a red, we got a black, we did a cut or something like that. And that's how the Falcons logo. You're almost ready to eat it.
What mate today is we're gonna have the Atlanta Falcons for the Rice Krispie treats. So I love that bird. Well, for the mascot named Freddy, and he likes to win. Win. W-I-N, win. That's what all I do is win, because that's DJ Callahan. So, alright.
Because each creation is beautiful. And we believe that everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen, okay? Have fun! Goodbye!
For the land of the free and the home of the brave. Play ball, like, come on, like USA, 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 USA.